Chlór telefíse a chomhróidh leatsa fios a chur do chuig Gaeilge. Irish language television programs to help you learn Irish. Mar a dúirt mé hana is bailach iontoch é Gaeilge Eolam ná Breanú Uirthi. As I've already said, a great way to learn Irish is to watch it. Rachí tú I dtaithí ar rhythm nádartha na teangaláirtha an. You'll get used to the natural rhythm of the spoken language. Agus leis an ggóthaigh sin ar an scáil an freisin, bé an tuiscint níos éasca freisin. And also, with the context of the story on the screen, understanding will be easier for you. Mar hampla, má tar character chlár nádúr ag caintear smuggle aróin. For example, if there's a character on a nature program talking about a smuggle aróin, agus an sin tuggans anmhí ar an scáil tuigigh tú gur sin smuggle aróin. And then an animal comes on screen, you'll understand that a smuggle aróin is a jellyfish. Mar sin inniu táid chun breanú ar chuaigh chlór telefíse a chomhróidh leat an Gaeilge Eolam. Therefore today we're going to look at 5 Irish language television programs that will help you learn the language. Agus an rud is fearr faoi ar fad tá an chuaigh chlár seo ar fad ar fáil sé an aisce ar líne an istíreach. And the best bit about it, all these Irish language television programs are available now for free online. Mar sin ar Linn, a hain, dó, trí. An cé ceann, agus an ceann is nuair an lista nar chlár drámaíochta darbanam crá. The first and the newest on the list is a drama program called Crá or Torment. Curfar tús le fistracán dún bhartha nuair aimsítear chorp wathair an Garda áitiúil. A murder investigation begins when the body of a local Garda's mother is found. Tá sé dorcha, tá sé fiú foréigeanach, uaireanta, ach bé tú gafa leis. It's dark, sometimes even violent, but you'll really get addicted to it. Tá go leor casa sa scéal, ábharíontais, leagan nua den cé a rinne. There are plenty of twists and turns in the story, surprises, a modern whodunit. Arís bín an chlár seo dorcha an amatí agus dúirtear go bhfuil an rátáil ise ar ná 16 bliain d'aois. Again, this is a dark program at times, and the age rating on it is down as 16 years old. Ach ó thaobh na Gaeilge de, tá canúint Álan Grúnaná le Clushan Down. Regarding the Irish in the program, you'll hear the beautiful dialect of Donegal Irish. Agus feice tú an tíriarch Álan Grúnaná an freisin, and you'll also see the beautiful landscapes of Donegal in the program. Má haitnín an genre Nordic noir leat, tá sé seo fuirfe, mar hampla Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. If you like the Nordic noir genre, for example Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, this program is perfect. Tá fóthégil béarla air agus tá sé ar fáil an istíreach ar seinteoir TG Ceathair Curmin Astús an sin. There are English subtitles available, and it's available right now on the TG Ceathair player, link above. Tá sé agrán de 12 nóméad an ceann ar fáil an istíreach, cás síos na saoilse agus buin sult as. There are 6 45-minute episodes available right now. Turn down the lights and enjoy. Chlár eile nua go leor a thosaigh le déanaí ná Téacs Taistil. Another relatively new program that started recently is Téacs Taistil, or Travel Text. Is chlár taistil é seo ar nóí, agus leanmuid trúr láthirí thart agus iad ar leitheanta saoire. This is obviously a travel program where we follow around 3 presenters when they're on their holidays. An difriach ná go bhain si téacs cuala agrán ina dtugtar dúchláin dóibh. The difference is that each episode they get a text and they're given a challenge. Bíonn 48 uairicab deir seachtainna fleanáil gan ach téacs amháin le carúló. They have 48 hours to plan a weekend's holidays with only that one text to help. Ihan siad bí aisteach, find si cáilte, agus bhíonn an cracacha. They eat strange foods, they get lost, and they really have a good time. Tá gá héasúr agus ceithre agrán déag den hana féin roinnt ábhar le bula faoi. There are already 2 seasons and 14 episodes made to dive into. Freisin is féidir do rabha áta fiocha, idir an rank, an idál, nó fiú sléigech. You can also choose what place you want to watch between France, Italy, even Sligo. Ar deireadh, tá tá an Gaeilge có-aimsire agus intuige rud atá iontocht an eola mór. As a last word, the Irish is modern and easily understood, which is great for the learner. Arís tá sé ar fáil le fóthadal béarla ar seainteoir TG Ceathair Saornasca tá nasc suas. And once again, it's freely available with English subtitles on the TG Ceathair player, link above. Chlár taistil eile agus ceann na chláracha is aitheanta na Gaeilge ná Hector. Another travel program and one of the most recognisable Irish language programs is Hector. An rud is tarintí faoi ná bhfuil sé ag le breis fiche bliain agus tá go leor agra an déanta. The most attractive bit about this program is it's been running for 20 years with many episodes made. Leanam muid an leor Hector hartar na Philippine, Europe, an Rúis, chuile áit. We follow Hector around the likes of the Philippines, Europe, Russia, anywhere. Agus ní héag bhfuil Hector ag dul ag mór anad turasóireachta mar dhéanach chlár eile. And it's not like Hector is going to the major tourist attractions as they do in other programs. Téann Hector go crí na tíre agus casann sé leis na gná daoine ann. Hector goes to the heart of the country and he meets the normal people there. Labhraíonn sé le daoine áitiúla ina dtithe féin agus cuireann sé aithne ceart ar an tír. He speaks to the local people in their own homes and really gets to know the culture of the country. Tá meascán teangacha ann, idir Gaeilge, Béarla agus teanga na tíre áitiúil. There's a mixture of languages in each program between Irish, English and the local language of the country. Leis na fothedal tá sé fíor hithe agus tuaicleachta agus sóir taitneamh freisin. With the subtitles, it's really easy to understand and really enjoyable as well. Tá nasc chús do rá Hector ar TG Ceathair, peochtúir raibh sé ann agus ar aghaidh leat. There's a link above to the Hector program on TG Ceathair. Pick a country he's been and start watching. Chlár a Ceathair ná an Klondike. Chlár starú faoi inimirchaig éarnacha sna 1890. The fourth program is called The Klondike, a historical program about Irish immigrants in the 1890s. Sra drámaíochta faoi na buaclaí bó na Drochárcha Connolly imi as éireann. It's a cowboy-style series about the Connolly brothers who have left Ireland. Cuasaí go dtí Yukon le linn na fúdar óir le súil as sa bhris a dhéanamh. They went to the Yukon during the gold rush with the hopes of striking it rich. Ach ní fada atá sé down go dtí go dtarlaíonn achtraí uafásacha, but they're not there long before horrible events start occurring. Chlár faoi cultúr agus daoine agsúla ag iomaíocht den áige chéile atá sa chláir seo. This is a program about different cultures and people competing against each other. Cosúla rá tá an chláir seo dorcha ach bunaithe ar fíor actriú sa star. Like Craw, this is a dark program at times, but based on historical fact. Má haitní na lehéad the Yellowstone leat tá nó sé seo leat freisin. If you like the program Yellowstone, you'll also enjoy this program. An rátáil ise ar seo ná dóigh ach bíoch is sat, tá sé seo dorcha. The age rating on this program is only 12, but just so you know, it can be dark. Nasc chús don box set omlán ar seainteoir TG Ceathair. There's a link above to the full box set on the TG Ceathair player. Mar chúla tú faoin chlár Aifric dí seo tá fáilte rót anois. If you haven't heard about the program Aifric until now, you're welcome. Chlár faoi héal chalín dar banam Aifric atá bogtha anuas ó bhaile clia go dtí an Ghaeltacht. This is a program about a girl's life called Aifric who has moved from the city Dublin to the Ghaeltacht. Leanan an chlár seo an chaibhlint, an cárdas agus an grá a bhíonn sa Aifric ar scoil. This program follows Aifric's struggles, relationships and romances when she's at school. Rinneadh an chlár seo do dhaoine óga ag gábhail sa sé agus tá 26 agran haar 3 shrá an. This program was made for young people in 2006 and there are 56 episodes over the course of 3 series. Bhí sé comhmór ag an am gur aistríú go Spáinis agus go leor teangacha eile é. This program was so big at the time that it was translated to Spanish and many other languages. Tá an chlár seo iontocht an eile mór mar go dtiguimid ar fad an cóthaíocht. This is a great programme for the learner because we all understand the context. Bhí muid ar fad ar scoil, bhí cárde gin ar fad, agus hit muid an rá ar fad or amháin. We've all been to school, we've all had friends, and we've all fallen in love at some point. Níl ach 25 nóméid in ein agran amháin, mar sin tá sé anéasca léantaisteach agus breanúir ceann. There's only 25 minutes per episode, therefore it's very easy to jump in and watch an episode. Feici tú féin sna character agus tá mar rálat buine tú sult as an ceann seo. You will see yourself in the characters, and I promise you will enjoy this programme. Tá nas don chlár omláin ar seainteoir TG Ceathair ar bhór an scáilán inis díreach. There's a link to the full programme on the TG Ceathair player at the top of the screen right now. Mar sin a cárde sin chuig chlár in Gaeilge a chabhróidh leat agus tú a fólam. Therefore, everyone, that's been 5 Irish language programmes that will help you learn. Agus mar tá ráite gom tríd is tríd, tá siad ar fád ar fáil saor nasca ar líne inis díreach. And as I've said throughout this video, all those programs are available for free online right now. Níor luí mé chlár ceol, no sport bio, no Ryan Sean Riella. I haven't mentioned music programs or live sport or loads of other genres. Má tá tú ag cuardach chlár in ein genre le, ní gádacht ach ceiste curthaíos. If you're looking for a program of a specific genre, just ask in the comments below. Ar ein nós, sin é úmse a níos a cárde. Anyway, that's all from me for now, everyone. Tá súla gom go muine tú taitneamh as an chlár, agus go peocha tú suas cúpla focail. I really hope you enjoy these programs and you pick up a few words of Irish on the way. Tá mé cur físeán nua amach gach seachtain, lean an canal seo le go bheice tú iad. I'm putting out a new video every single week. Follow this channel so you can see them. Freisin, aber gur malat é seo, no fág tracht agus cabhair sé go mórlam. Give a like or leave a comment below and it will really help the channel. Gurav mahagut as breanúir seo cara. Thanks so much for watching this video. Go dtí an cé ceann eile a Shane, Do, Tree.